Now I'm in my dashboard and I want to add credit to my Doprax account. So I'm gonna add credit by clicking on this add credit button. In this page, I have a lot of options to pay with. 2 methods of crypto payments, also 2 methods of credit cards, and for users in Iran and China, we provide specific payment methods that they can use. So we want to add credit with crypto, so let's this now payment, click now payment, and this payment method accepts 300 different types of cryptocurrencies, and we enter the amount and click checkout. So you can add any amount that you want. The minimum is $5, so I'm gonna add $5. And I just need to click the checkout and I'll be directed to the Now Payments payment gateway. So let's do that. All right, this is the payment page. By default, it's on Dogecoin. You can choose the coin that you want to pay with. Today I want to pay with Matic. Matic is the native cryptocurrency of the Polygon network. So I'm gonna find Matic on Polygon and just click on the icon, and then I'm gonna be depositing 5.92 Matics, which is equivalent of $5, into this account. So I can scan it with my wallet. Today I'm gonna be paying with MetaMask, so I'm gonna click on the MetaMask, and I have my MetaMask wallet as a browser extension, so it's easy peasy for me. I just click that button and my MetaMask wallet, which I'm already logged into, will pop up. I'm gonna be paying 5 USDs, and pay attention to the gas fee. It's like very low, super cheap. Around 1 cent of gas fee, which is very good. That's why I like to pay with Matic. And then I just need to click confirm, and the payment process is basically starting. And now the transaction is being confirmed. I can enter my email account here so that when the transaction is through and confirmed, I will be notified. So as you just saw, my send transaction was verified in my local client. I could have scanned this wallet and paid with my wallet on my phone or whatever other types of payments, but I chose to use MetaMask. So the MetaMask transaction of sending is confirmed here, and now the payment gateway is processing the payment. It will take a little bit more depending on the type of cryptocurrency that you're paying. It could take up to, let's say, 10 minutes, but this is going to be very fast. So yeah, I could have paid with my other wallets, any other cryptocurrencies, like Kepler or any other. So yeah, the payment is now successfully processed, and I'll be directed back to my invoice, which is paid and confirmed. And as you can see, it has been deposited in my balance. I can scroll down, and a few seconds ago, add credit to Doprax has been confirmed. So yeah, that's basically it. And now I can go and use the utilities like creating virtual machines and app spaces on Doprax, and I'm gonna show these utilities and functions in the next video. So see you guys later soon.